Hey friends, today in this video I will show you how we can block Microsoft Store for all users through the group policy. As you are aware that the Microsoft Store is used to install the applications for users on their machines so they can access. Suppose if you just want to install WhatsApp or some other security compliance, you just want to block the Microsoft Store for specific users or for all users. So what you will do, you can block this Microsoft Store through the group policy. So I will show you how we can do this and how we can achieve this. So what I will do, I will go on the GPMC, and in the GPMC you can create the group policy inside the group policy object container, and you can assign this group policy as per OU or as per the domain wide as well. So what I'm going to do, first I will create a group policy over here and I will assign a name Microsoft Store blocking. Now group policy has been created, and next I need to just edit this group policy by clicking on the edit, and then I need to just edit the user configuration. So I will go on the user configurations, Windows settings. Inside the Windows settings, need to click on the security settings, and there is an option software restrictions policy. So I need to just add the restrictions for Microsoft Store over here. So what I will do, I will right click on the software restrictions and will click on the new software restrictions. Once you clicked on the software restrictions, so there are the two options which has been highlighted now. So I'm going to expand this. Now what you need to do, right click on the additional rules and then click on the new path rules. In the new path rules, what you need to do, either you can browse this or you can just put the value like program files, or even you can go over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just typing over here only program files, Windows apps backslash Microsoft dot Windows, and next you need to type Windows Store, Windows and then store over here and asterisk. So this is the complete path. You can just copy it and you can see inside the notepad what exactly it is. So actually what we are doing, we are just blocking the Microsoft Store application. So in case if any user is just trying to access this Microsoft Store, so this will be blocked because we had just blocked the complete path over here. This is the program files, percentage backslash Windows apps Microsoft.Windows Store. Now click on the apply, and you can just mention the descriptions as well, blocking Microsoft Store. Now click on the apply and OK. Now what you need to do next, close this one. Now the policy has been configured. You can go through over here. So this is Windows Store has been blocked in the additional path inside the software restrictions. Now you can apply it on the on the domain wide. So what you need to do, right click over here, link an existing GPO, Microsoft Store. So this has been just applied. Now we'll go on the Windows client machine over here, and we are just trying to log in on the client machine. We'll see how the policy will reflected over here. We'll go on the client machine, and currently if you see, the Windows Store, Microsoft Store is working properly. So we'll click on the Microsoft Store and we'll see how Microsoft Store is just opening on the client machine, because we haven't updated the group policy, so this will work. So currently this is working fine. So now, because the policy has been already applied, that's why this is just showing the blocked over here. If you go through the group policy, so what you will do, RSOP. So this command will help you to just extract the group policy which are applying on the client machine, because we have just applied this policy on the user base, so we can see the user based group policy, but we cannot see inside the computer based policy. So now you can see the security restrictions and the software restrictions, because we just applied the additional rule set. So this policy has applied on this machine, that's why we are unable to open the Microsoft Store on the client machine. So this is the method which you can just follow to block the Microsoft Store on the client machines, in case if your security team raises the concerns like to block the Microsoft Store for all client machines. So you can just achieve this through the group policy which we just created on the domain controller. Even you can apply this policy for a specific OU as well, because we just applied this on the top of the domain. That's why all the users are impacted over here. Thank you for watching this video.